Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory part for the first year's English medium. The chapter that we are dealing with is the 9th chapter, Sources of Business Finance, and this is the 14th session of the chapter, and this is the last session. Here we are going to discuss about the Indian depository receipts. Okay. So what are Indian depository receipts? An Indian depository receipt is an instrument in the form of depository receipt created by the Indian depository in India against the underlying equity shares of the issuing companies. So these are the depository receipts which are issued in India against the underlying means those are already in the listed, those securities which are already listed. Okay, against that the Indian depository receipts are issued. Okay, IDRs are listed on the stock exchange in India. Okay, Indian depository receipts are listed on Indian stock exchange and are freely transferable. Okay, these are freely transferable. We can transfer these securities to anyone freely. Okay, IDRs can be issued with the prior approval from Security Exchange Board of India. Okay, in order to issue these type of securities, okay, in order to issue these type of depository receipts or security, we have to get the permission from Security Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. Okay, Indian depository receipts are a type of receipts that are issued in India and they can be easily transferable. Okay, these are listed on the Securities Exchange Board of India. Okay, these required permission from Securities Exchange Board of India, and these are listed on the stock exchanges in India. In India, we have three famous stock exchanges: Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, and Kolkata Stock Exchange. So in these stock exchanges, these Indian depository receipts are listed. And foreign currency convertible bonds. Foreign currency convertible bonds means those things which can be converted into, those currency which can be converted into bond. Okay, so foreign currency convertible bonds have assumed a great importance for various multinational companies. So it is very advantageable, it is a very much advantage for the multinational companies. What are called as multinational companies means the company which are doing their business or activities more than one country. Okay, for example, their head office in India and their branches all over the world, in Germany, in Austria and in France, in Britain, in Italy, in China, in Bangladesh. So if they are having the branches all over the world, those companies are known as multinational companies, MNCs. Okay, we are going to study about them in detail in the upcoming sessions, MNC companies. Okay, yes, a foreign currency convertible bond is a type of convertible bond in which the money is raised by issuing a company in the form of foreign currency. So here we generally convert the money into foreign currency, means Indian rupee into US dollar. Okay, these type conversions are made in order to convert those currency into the bonds. Okay, foreign currency convertible bonds are issued in currencies different from the issuing company domestic currency. For example, a company in India, as I told you, the company of India that has a domestic currency, that is rupee, so it will be issued in a dollar. So those type of issues are known as a foreign currency. There will be issued in the foreign currency. The Indian company will issue in the foreign currency. Foreign companies will issue in some other country's currency, means opposite countries' currencies. So those types of currency issues and the bond is a paper issue, a conversion of those currency into foreign currency that required a bond, that is convertible bond. Okay, we have to convert the Indian currency into foreign currency when we want to issue the currency over to the foreign currency convertible bonds. Okay, up to here the chapter is completed, and in the next chapter we are going to study about the multinational companies in detail. So let us meet in the other session with some other topic. Yeah.